12-inch ruler or stick, armchair, or table and chair.
For the tester, sit on an armchair or chair next to the table so that the elbow and the lower arms rest on the desk table comfortably. In the absence of the armchair, the tester can use the dining table in their home. Place the heel of the hand on the desk or table so that only the fingers and thumbs extend beyond. Fingers and thumbs should at least be 1 inch apart. Catch the ruler or stick with the thumb and index finger without lifting the elbow or the desk or table as the partner drops the stick. Hold the stick while the partner reads the measurement. Do this thrice. For the partner, hold the ruler or stick at the top, allowing it to dangle between the thumb and fingers of the performer. Hold the ruler or stick so that the 12-inch mark is even between the thumb and the index finger. No part of the hand of the performer should touch the ruler or stick. Drop the ruler or stick without warning and let the tester catch it with his or her thumb and index finger. Record the score on the upper part of the thumb. Scoring: record the middle of the 3 scores. For example, if the score are 21, 18, and 19, the middle score is 19. In case there were 2 scores are the same, for example, 18, 18, and 25, the repeated score shall be recorded. This is now the score, standard, and interpretation for the stick drop test.
Be fit, be healthy, be happy!